Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out, and this one is Java Programming and More by O'Reilly. Now the O'Reilly programming bundles actually, they're pretty good. So if you're into programming, this is probably a bundle that you're going to want to take a look at. So normal price of it is $698. I do have my link below, so if you use that, thank you very much. So they're always multi-form, well, not always, but most of the book ones are multi-formatted, which means that whatever app you use, you can read them in PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files. And they're DRM free, which means you can have them on multiple devices all at the same time. So think of your computer, your tablet, your phone, wherever you need to have them. So you can click here to get the bundle or down below, and up here you can click where it says bundles and see what other bundles are going on, including how much time they have left. And I do have videos out for each one of those if you want to check those out also. Alright, you can also click here to get a reminder, which is pretty awesome because if you don't have time right now, you can quickly click the reminder button and it'll send you an email to remind you that the bundle is almost up before it's over, so that way you can come take a look. So I love that feature, it's pretty awesome. As always, you start out with just a $1 bundle. Now if you're new to Humble Bundle, the way it works is there are different tiers in each bundle. So there is a $1 tier today, an $8 tier, $15 tier, and that is our highest. So if you purchase the 15, you'll get the 8 and a $1, and if you purchase the $8 tier, you would get the 8 and the $1 tier. Alright, so let's see. In the $1 tier, we have Java 8 Lambdas. So if you're a developer with core Java SE skills, this hands-on book takes you through the language changes in Java 8 triggered by the addition of Lambda expressions. And of course you can read more a little bit about it, and you can even click on the PDF preview of each book, which is kind of nice. Sometimes the PDF previews, though, at least for me, are blah. I'm just going to say blah. But it does give you a little bit more description and give you kind of the sense of how the book is written. So if that's important to you, then you definitely want to check that out. Alright, so next we have Java Threads 3rd edition. So threads are essential to Java programming, but learning to use them effectively is a non-trivial task. The new edition of the classic Java Threads shows you how to take full advantage of Java's thread facilities and brings you up to date with the watershed challenges in Java 2 Standard Edition version 5.0 or J2SE 5.0. It provides a thorough step-by-step approach to threads programming. And of course, you can come read more. I just get you enough to get you started, see if it's something you even want to come check out. So that's the reason why I do these videos for everybody. And if you're like me, I forget to go look and see what they are, so that's also why I started doing them. Alright, so next we have Technology Strategy Patterns. Technologists who want their ideas heard, understood, and funded are often told to speak the language of businesses without really knowing what that is. This book toolkit provides architects, product managers, technology managers, and executives with a shared language in the form of repeatable, practical patterns and templates to produce great technological strategies. Next, we have continuous delivery in Java. Continuous delivery adds enormous value to the business and the entire software delivery life cycle. But adopting this practice means mastering new skills, typically outside of a developer's comfort zone. In this practical book, Daniel Bryant and Abram Marin Perez provide guidance to help experienced Java developers master skills such as architectural design, automated quality assurance, and applicable packaging and deployment on a variety of platforms. And last in our $1 tier is Java in a Nutshell 7th edition. This updated edition of Java in a Nutshell not only helps experienced Java programmers get the most out of their Java versions 9 through 11, It's also a path for new development, chock full of examples that demonstrate how to take complete advantage of modern Java's APIs and developmental best practices. This thoroughly revised book includes new material on Java concurrency utilities. Alright, so that is what you get with the dollar tier, and so of course it is 5 books. I don't know why it did not look like 5. So next we have the $8 tier, and with this is another 5 books. So systematic software design. With this practical book, architects, CTOs, and CIOs will learn a set of patterns for the practical practice of architecture, including analysis, documentation, and communication. Author Eben Hewitt shows you how to create holistic and thoughtful technology plans, communicate them clearly, lead people towards the vision, and become a great architect or chief architect. Next, we have the Kotlin Cookbook. Use Kotlin to build Android apps, web applications, and more, while you learn the nuances of this popular language. With this unique cookbook, developers will learn how to apply this Java-based language to their own projects. Both experienced programmers and those new to Kotlin will benefit from the practical recipes in this book. Next, we have real-world software development. Experience the latest Java-based software, developed techniques and methodologies throughout the project-based approach in this practical guide. Unlike books that were abstract examples and lots of theory, real-world software development shows you how to develop several relevant projects while learning best practices along the way. Next, we have Think Java 2nd Edition. Think Java is a hands-on introduction to computer science and programming used by many universities and high schools around the world. Its conscious emphasis on vocabulary and informal tone make it particularly appealing for readers with little to no experience. This book starts with the most basic programming concepts and gradually works its way to advanced object-oriented techniques. And last, in the $8 tier, we have 97 things every Java programmer should know. If you want to push your Java skills to the next level, this book provides expert advice from Java leaders and practitioners. You'll be encouraged to look at problems in new ways, take broader responsibilities for your work, stretch yourself by learning new techniques, and become as good as the entire craft of development as you possibly can. So that is it for the $8 tier, so that would be a total of 10 programming books. And last tier today is $15, so that would be another 5 books, which would give you a total of 15 programming books. So in this last one, we have gRPC up and running. Got a comprehensive and understanding of gRPC fundamentals through real-world examples. With this practical guide, you'll learn how to high-performance inter-process communication protocol is capable of connecting polyglot services in microservices architecture while providing a rich framework for defining services, contracts, and data types. Next, we have the Quercus Cookbook. Optimized for Kubernetes, Quercus is designed to help you create Java applications that are cloud-first, container-native, and serverless capable. With this cookbook, authors Alex Solo Bueno and Jason Porter from Red Hat provide detailed solutions for installing, interacting with, and using Quercus in the development and production of microservices. Next book we have is Java Performances 2nd Edition. Coding and testing are generally considered separate areas of expertise. In this practical book, Java expert Scott Oakes takes the approach that anyone who works with Java should also be adept at understanding how code behaves in the Java virtual machine, including the tunings likely to help performance. This updated 2nd edition helps you gain in-depth knowledge of Java application performance using both the JVM and the Java platform. Next, we have the Java Cookbook 4th edition. Java continues to grow and evolve, and this cookbook continues to evolve in tandem. With this guide, you'll get up to speed right away with hundreds of hands-on recipes, access to a broad range of Java topics. You'll learn useful techniques for everything from string handling and functional programming to network communication. And the last one is Learning Java 5th edition. If you're new to Java or new to programming, the best-selling book will guide you through the language features and APIs of Java 11. With fun, compelling, and realistic examples, author Mark Loy, Patrick Niemeyer, and Daniel Lewick introduce you to Java fundamentals, including its class libraries, programming techniques, and idioms with an eye towards building real applications. And of course, Humble always supports a charity. This one supports charity Code for America. All right, now to purchase, you would purchase down here. If the dollar tier doesn't show up, you can put it in the custom. If you purchase anything other than the top tier, you will get these warnings pop up, and that's perfectly okay. It's just telling you you're not going to get the content in the other tiers. So whichever one you want to purchase, don't worry about the pop-ups. It just serves kind of as a reminder. So the subscribe to Humble choice is only if you want to, the add to cart here, but you do not need that to purchase a bundle. So what you're going to do is go down here. You can either purchase it for yourself or as a gift. If you purchase it as a gift, you click there, put in your recipient's email, and you can make it anonymous, which is a lot of fun. So you can pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it for this programming bundle. Let me know what you think. Java is very popular, so if you're getting into programming, this might be a bundle that you want to take a look at. All right, that's it for today. You guys know what to do. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you liked it, hit that like. And if you want to always see my videos, make sure and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.